These windshield wipers are incredibly quiet. Take a listen.
Oh, that's quiet.
First, we're gonna show you on my Toyota Highlander how to install this, and then we're gonna jump ahead into actually taking off your existing wiper blades. But just real quick, when you see this little guy, just pop this open right there. As you can see, it's pre-popped. It shouldn't open that easily, but then you're going to align that with the hook and then slide this in here. It's best to give it a little tug to make sure it's seated. There it is. And then to secure it in all the way, simply put this little latch back down until it clips. That's it. Remove the old wiper blades. They do take a bit of force. What I like to do is kind of tee it up like so, and then give it a little umph. And there it goes, slides off like this, and you are free to install the new one. Just like with the other wiper, take the new one, you're gonna flick this open like that. This will take a lot more oomph. It has been pre-unlocked, so if you need to get a screwdriver to pop that open, do that. And slide it into the hook right there. Give it a little tug to make sure it's seated. Just like with the other one, go ahead and clip this down. And then of course, the last most satisfying step is removing the little yellow protective guards and slap them on down. You are good to go. Before you go out on the open road, do spray down your windshield and go ahead and test them to make sure you didn't accidentally put them on the wrong ones. You won't believe how many times that happens, and you'll see that that blade would actually hit the edge of this. Typically, one of them is shorter and then the other one is longer. Hope this helps.